we're going to do a full unboxing of the Wheelock 7002T-24. Just came in the mail today. And then it comes in a colorful box. The alarm is in this box. Yeah, see. And then, yeah. Yo. Yes, and then here is the alarm. It's kind of big. Yep, that's about it. Yeah, so let's look at the front first. This is the looks to have like some paint on it. And then, yeah, you can check it out. It's very heavy as well. In the back features screw holes. You can change like stuff with tones. This does record in the back as well. 7002T-24, 24 volt DC, 60-75 decibels at 10 feet.
Probably be louder than that.
Yeah. But I think there's like spider webs in the alarm.
Spider webs? What the? Oh, in the alarm?
It could be.
Let me get that out.
Kind of looks like it.
That must just be wear over time. I'll get those out after.
It's probably because it was placed outside.
This is nice. Wow, this is actually very heavy. Yeah, this was probably placed outside. Manufactured 47th week in 1987. These are the screw holes. You can add a projector to it if you wanted to.
What does adding a projector do?
I mean, it just amplifies the sound in directions. Like you can add a single or a dual projector.
Yeah, so it's like a
one in. All right, you ready to test it? We'll do it outside because it's probably gonna be loud.